Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to properly configure and install Windows Subsystem for Linux, also known as WSL, on Windows 11. We will go step by step, starting from checking system compatibility, enabling required features, installing WSL, and finally installing Ubuntu and verifying that everything works correctly. Let's begin. First, we need to make sure that your system supports WSL. WSL is available on Windows 10 version 2004 and later, and fully supported on Windows 11. Since we are working on Windows 11, compatibility should not be an issue, but it is always good practice to verify your Windows version. To check your Windows version, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the Run box, type WinVer and press Enter. A window will appear showing your Windows edition and version. Confirm that you are running Windows 11 or Windows 10 version 2004 or later. After confirming, close the window. Next, we need to enable the required Windows features for WSL. Click on the Start button and search for Turn Windows Features On or Off. Open it. A Windows Features dialog box will appear. Scroll down and locate the following two options: Virtual Machine Platform, Windows Subsystem for Linux. Make sure both of these checkboxes are selected. If they are not checked, check them now. After selecting both options, click OK. Windows will start installing the required components. This process may take a few minutes. Once the installation completes, Windows will prompt you to restart your system. Click Restart Now. This restart is necessary for the changes to take effect. After your system reboots, we will proceed with installing WSL. Right-click on the Start button and select Windows Terminal, Admin. If you see Command Prompt or PowerShell, Admin, that is also fine. Make sure you open it as administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes. Now inside the terminal window, type the following command: WSL install. Then press Enter. This command will install the WSL components and set up everything required to run Linux distributions. It may take some time depending on your internet speed and system performance. Wait patiently until the process completes. After installation is complete, you may again be asked to restart your system. If prompted, restart your computer. Once your system starts again, right-click the Start button and open Windows Terminal as administrator one more time. Now we will check the list of available Linux distributions. Type the following command: WSL list online. Then press Enter. You will see a list of available Linux distributions such as Ubuntu, Debian, Kali Linux, OpenSUSE, and others. For this video, we will install Ubuntu because it is beginner-friendly and widely used. To install Ubuntu, type WSL install Ubuntu. Then press Enter. Windows will now download and install the Ubuntu distribution. This may take several minutes depending on your internet speed. Wait until the installation finishes. After Ubuntu is installed, it will automatically launch in a new terminal window. The first time you run Ubuntu, it will perform initial setup. You will be prompted to create a new Unix username. Type your desired username and press Enter. Then you will be asked to create a password. Type your password. Note that while typing the password, nothing will appear on the screen. This is normal behavior in Linux for security reasons. Press Enter, and then retype the password to confirm. Once the setup completes, you will see a Linux command prompt. This means Ubuntu is successfully installed and running under WSL. Now let's verify that it is working correctly. At the Ubuntu prompt, type ls. Then press enter. If you see a list of directories such as desktop, documents, or other folders, it means your Linux environment is working properly. Congratulations! You have successfully configured and installed WSL with Ubuntu on Windows 11. In the next video, we will explore basic Linux commands and learn how to use the WSL environment effectively. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.